I think the biggest change from a facility standpoint is Christenberry Fieldhouse itself. So the exterior project that we've been working on for over 2 years now is coming to a close, and it looks fantastic. We've essentially wrapped the entire outside of Christenberry Fieldhouse with metal paneling in our colors, and has really modernized the space. Where we were to where we are now, it's night and day. All of our sports utilize the space because we have the new weight room facility, the Allen Yvette Harris Sports Performance Center, which we're really excited about. At baseball, we have a new permanent seating out there and press box and a scoreboard and a new wall system and a batting cage. And then softball, we just built a new batting cage this summer, and we'll begin their new permanent seating with chair backs and a press box this fall. We feel like we have one of the best facilities in the Southeast when it comes to arenas, and certainly all the work that's been done over the years for this project in particular is going to make a huge impact.
We've given Annex 1 a facelift. The decision was let's do a palette of blue to kind of make the building pop and make it recognizable, so that as people drove around this side, they could recognize this and see that it was actually part of AU. Annex 1 is a very interesting building in that it was a former Sears. We have HR, planning, design and construction, risk management, IE, philanthropy, fiscal affairs. And when people come here, we can just say, yes, look for the big blue building. And you can see it again, from 15th Street, Walton Way, even from the highway. I am excited actually about all of our projects because, it is making a difference for the university, for the students, for the faculty and for the staff.